Starting around 18 November 2023, kind of smooth love elixir basically is exchanging at $0.0022 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in every way that really matters, large way. SLP basically has a really complete market cap of $90,019,833, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,184,272, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. This for the most part makes especially smooth love mixture, SLP, fundamentally positioning at 317 in the digital money market in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the truly smooth love mixture cost forecast finish of 2023, what will kind of smooth love elixir truly be worth in 2023 in a by and large huge manner? Is certainly smooth love elixir a genuinely wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking? Will SLP cost outperform its unequaled certainly high in a for the most part significant manner? These basically are our sort of smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in an extremely large manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the fundamentally smooth love mixture gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $0.0024, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of genuinely smooth love elixir toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to sort of be $0.0023, or so they by and large thought. Besides, SLP can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.0025 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture value expectation November 2023. The cost of in every way that really matters, smooth love elixir is truly anticipated to sort of reach at an especially least worth of $0.0021 in November 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.0024, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.0023 all through 2023. All things considered, further appearance how besides SLP can especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.0025 in a very significant manner. Smooth love elixir value expectation December 2023. The cost of exceptionally smooth love mixture in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to all things considered reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.0023 in December 2023, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The SLP cost could basically arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0.0025, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.0024 all through 2023, so these sort of are our kind of smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in a genuinely huge manner. Smooth love mixture certainly passed value examination in every way that really matters. Recent hours, the crypto all things considered has been in a real sense diminished by 2.94% in its for the most part current worth in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming we really look at the extremely current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing that in every practical sense, smooth love elixir value expectation December 2023. The cost of genuinely smooth love mixture essentially is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at a very least worth of $0.0023 in December 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture essentially is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in a sort of huge manner. The SLP truly is down to nearly 13.19% in the by and large most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past truly couple of days. The coin could for the most part have kind of solid basics, however, we don't truly imagine that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, so truly smooth love elixir value expectation November 2023, the cost of in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture generally is all things considered anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of least worth of $0.0021 in November 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP especially diminished by 27.073%, taking out an incredible in every way that really matters, normal amount of $0.000809 from its ongoing worth, pretty further appearance, how starting around 18 November 2023 in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture explicitly is exchanging at $0.0022 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent by and large purchase, a valuable open door for pretty speedy interest in an especially enormous manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 25.91%, and the value sort of flowed from an especially least truly normal cost of $0.0028 to genuinely greatest pretty normal cost of $0.0031 in the precise beyond 90 days, or so they sort of thought. In kind of most recent 4 months, exceptionally smooth love mixture for the most part has shown a developing pattern, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In this way, we truly believe that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period in an extremely significant manner. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of really smooth love mixture truly has expanded from 4 months, showing how this in a real sense makes genuinely smooth love elixir, SLP, kind of positioning at 317 in the digital money market in a by and large significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in a for the most part huge manner. The coin for the most part is up by 5.48%, with the essentially greatest truly normal cost of the coin for the most part was around $0.0022, and the truly least by and large normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0.0021 in extremely beyond 4 months, showing how hence we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be smooth love elixir extremely worth in 2023, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking? The SLP cost truly is determined to truly arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0025, with sort of least cost of $0.0023 toward the finish of 2023, which truly is very huge. Does sort of smooth love mixture for the most part have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as cost, really smooth love mixture basically has an extraordinary genuinely potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how pretty smooth love elixir value forecast November 2023. The cost of pretty smooth love mixture explicitly is basically anticipated to basically reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.0021 and it really is estimate that SLP will increment in esteem, which explicitly is very huge. As per truly